My people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tenia. The important thing I want to talk about today is that, yes, I've been natural for 10 years and I am an official curlfriend. I hope that was on key. Yes, I am a curlfriend for Eden BodyWorks. So I mentioned to you that I am a curlfriend. You said, what is a curlfriend? So a curlfriend is the brand ambassador for Eden BodyWorks. They have a really neat name and they call us curlfriends. So this is their bestseller box and we're gonna unpack some goodies in here. I've already used a few of these things, all right? Okay, let's get into it. So in here is this really
cute handbag. And I can put
anything and everything in here. I really think that this is so creative, right? Eden BodyWorks CurlFriends. We have the Coconut Shea Edge Control. Let me show y'all. Look at this. The consistency, look at that. Boing, boing. And it's really smooth. I've already used this on my edges. I still have some. It works very well. It is a firm hold. It's really important that when you are looking for edge control, that you know what you need. And when I have braids and my edges are out, I need something that's not going to cake up and turn white, because we're not about to be out here with the frosted flakes edges and the frosted flake tops. Have you ever seen anyone that their braids, they're dusty? That's not cool, and that means that they're stuck and we put too much gel. This can help minimize the frosted flakes, is what I call it. We're not doing that. Okay, moving right along. Peppermint oil hair spray, right? It's not hairspray, but it's hair oil. But I love that there is a applicator here that you can pump it up, right? And you spray it right on your scalp. I've already used some of this today, so I'm not gonna put any more on there. It smells divine, but it's peppermint tea tree, okay? And I highly recommend this if you have itchy scalp. One thing that I had a lot of issues with and have issues with is my scalp is really itchy. And sometimes we may put too many things on our hair to stop the itch, but this peppermint tea tree hair oil from Eden BodyWorks, I highly recommend if you have itchy scalp, if you're prone to itchy scalp, okay? The next thing is from the Papaya Castor line. And this is the scalp massaging serum. Use this, it's amazing. No fluff from me, by the way, but this is something that I actually used this the second day I got this box, because having a protective style, your scalp is out, your scalp is exposed, and it's really important to cleanse and apply things to your scalp that's going to activate the growth and, you know, help loosen up your braids also in a high quality way, instead of pat and trying to loosen it up yourself. Put this on your scalp, okay? This is what I cleansed my hair with. Oh, papaya. It's the scalp cleanser. I am a huge proponent of cleaning your hair when you have braids. I think it's something we really should shed more light on, because our braids can hold odor and a lot of buildup, because we're trying to maintain them and we don't know what's going to work. But this here really is something, it's like 10 steps in one, in my opinion. And I'm big on having multiple uses for stuff, because ain't nobody got time for 10 steps all the time. Papaya Castor scalp cleanser is really good for protective styles. Okay, I used it and it works for me. And this is just a really cute note. Hey, girlfriend. Another little pamphlet. Such nice branding, by the way. All right, so we talked about the peppermint tea tree hair oil. Now we have the clarifying shampoo. Now, let me tell you something. When you have a lot of buildup, it's so important to clarify and cleanse your scalp properly instead of adding more products on top of it. And this one here, it just gets to the root, right? It gets to the root and gently massaging the roots. It's really important to have products that are not going to tear your hair apart as it's working. This is a good one. Yeah, Coconut Shea. Highly love the Coconut Shea line from BodyWorks, but this Coconut Shea leave-in conditioner is something that I use so many ways, and I use it in my hair and on my children's hair, my boys and my girl, okay? It has a wonderful consistency and it can be used multiple ways. Another thing that I'm starting to notice for some of these products is that it has multiple uses. That's a good thing, all right? Moving on along. Split in Repair Mask. This is the Almond Marshmallow collection. One thing that I've noticed about this line is that this is really good for summertime hair. I'm gonna show you the consistency. I mean, it's so thick. Look at this. It's so thick. Like, wiggle, 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 wiggle with it. It's so thick, and so the consistency is amazing to me. But I've used this probably not as much, but I will. But I noticed that this Almond Marshmallow line is really, it does wonders for my hair when it's in its natural state in the summertime. So you might want to stock up. Again, Almond Marshmallow line. You might want to stock up on that. If you have split hair, if you have split ends, it's nothing like a good mask. Okay, Jojoba Monnois. I hope I'm saying that right. All right, so we have our strengthening deep conditioner. Listen, it is fall out here. Wintertime is quickly approaching. It's now November in the Midwest. You have to have a really good deep conditioner for your tresses, for your hair. We cannot be out here with our hair looking brittle and dry. Invest in a really good strengthening deep conditioner. Definitely not least, look at these beautiful scarves that they put in the bag. The box. Look at these beautiful scarves. BodyWorks, and it also says we're obsessed with healthy hair. Obsession. Now listen, I'm all for a company who takes this much care. It's actually in black. I've used this one quite a few times, so it's kind of has a little, you know, whatever. But again, it says we're obsessed with healthy hair. I'm all for a company that takes this much care to promote their brand. So there you have it. We have unpacked and unboxed a beautiful bestsellers box from the wonderful BodyWorks. I am floored that I was picked and selected to be one of the new members of their brand ambassador program. So if you're new here, please stick around. Thanks so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.